Alright guys, today we have a 2007 Jeep Liberty Sport and the battery's dead. The belt came off, the car won't start, it shut off on the customer. What happened was this tensioner down here is jammed up. You see that I can't move it. I can move it a little bit, but it's all broken, crooked. So we're gonna change this tensioner here with the idler pulley and the tensioner pulley together, and we're gonna put a new belt on. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna need a number 15. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this bolt, and this is number 13 right in the center. We're gonna remove that, and the tensioner should come out. And if it has more than one bolt, we'll see if it has more than one bolt. All right, so we have the new tensioner here. It comes with the both pulleys, and the bolt is just one bolt right in the center. So all you need is number 13 for the center. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove that. So you take your ratchet and turn it counterclockwise. You want to be careful, you don't want to hurt yourself. All you do is you turn that bolt till it comes out. Alright, while he's working on that, this tensioner is about 80 bucks. It comes together, so if you have this problem, just change it and put on a new belt, because once the tensioner breaks, it damages the belt automatically. Alright, so whole bunch of turns. All you do is turn till that bolt comes out. Once it's loose, you could do it manually by hand, and the tensioner should come out. Alright, so there we go. There's a broken tensioner right there. You see all the bearing inside is all broken, melted. The pulley melted. She was probably running on it while it was grinding. You see that? Look at the condition of that. Alright, so we're gonna take the new tensioner. We're gonna put the new tensioner in now. You do is you take the new tensioner, you're gonna line it. You see where he's touching at? That goes onto between where that bolt is against the block. So you line that and make sure you put the bolt in by hand first. Catch as many threads as you can. Before you take the ratchet and tighten it. Right, there you go. Now we're going to take the ratchet and we're going to tighten that bolt. Alright, just tighten it as good as you can. And that's it. Alright, so the tensioner is on. Next, we're going to put the belt on. Alright, now we're going to install the belt. Make sure you have the routing of this belt, how it goes, because you can put it the wrong way. So we already know the diagram. So we're going to route the belt. And then I'll show you the routing of this belt if you have the same engine. If you put it the wrong way, the belt will be loose and it will squeal. And you can't miss it because it's going to be very, very loud. So he has the belt almost everywhere. The crank pulley doesn't look so right, all the way in the bottom. Make sure it's on, like right on in the center of the pulleys. Double check everything, and then we're ready to pull the tensioner. So what he's gonna do is he's gonna take number 15, put that on the tensioner there. He's gonna pull it, and at the same time he's gonna put the belt on the alternator, just like that. Alright, we're gonna back up one step. Maybe we need to change that pulley. I ordered another pulley because the pulley was a little bigger on this one. Let's see what we can do there. Alright guys, so we couldn't get the belt on, and the reason is, see that pulley without the grooves on it? That pulley is not the same size. It's a little bigger, and that's not giving us a little bit of gap to put on that belt. What we're gonna do is, if we have a new pulley, we're gonna remove that. That's number 15. So if you have this issue, just get a new pulley. I'll give you the part number on the pulley, because I know there's like 2 different engines on this car, or it might go into some Dodge vehicles and they might have a different size. Alright, make sure you don't drop anything. Sometimes it has washers. Alright, so once you have this loose, the pulley should just come right out. Is it loose already? Alright, I'm gonna keep turning until it comes out. Alright, we got the new pulley, the old pulley out. This is what it looked like. We're gonna match up the other one. See how we have this pulley here. See the difference? The other pulley is bigger. Alright, that's why the belt wouldn't go on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put that washer back where it belongs, and we're gonna. Is this hole the same? Mm-hmm. We just want to make sure this hole is the same size also. And you can do one thing: either you can match it up here, or you can put it here like that. And if it doesn't move, it should be same size. All right. Alright, so it looks right. We're gonna put that washer that was here, and we're gonna put this together. The washer has a little groove too, so you make sure you get that groove in there that will hold the pulley in the center. Front of the washer has a groove that goes in here, right? Make sure you get it in the right spot. The reason why we put this in just like that, we assume, you know, sometimes they make changes to the pulleys, but if it doesn't work out, then you got to look back into it, see what's the difference in the pulleys are. So the parts guy wanted to order me another pulley, but another tensioner, but he had another pulley that can fit here. The washer's right in the center. Yep. Alright, after you're done, make sure the pulley spins nice and free. Just like that. Alright. So that's it. It's good. Now we're ready to try number 2 with the belt. If you don't know the routing of the belt, you can Google it. You'll find something online. But I'll show you this one once we're done. Make sure the belt is on all the grooves of the pulleys. So you're going to take that number 15. You're going to pull that tensioner. belt should go on now. Just like that. See that? Alright, so we're done here pretty much. Alright. So the belt on this one, this is a 3.7 engine with AC. So the belt goes over this AC compressor to the pulley here, and then it turns over the other pulley down to the crank, and then it comes back up to here, goes over the alternator and around the pump and back around. See that? It goes from here, goes onto the crank, up to the pump. And that's where you're done. Alright, so I just want to show you guys the part numbers on the parts we use. This is the tensioner 419010. The belt is AC Delco 6K868. And the pulley that we had to get another pulley, that's the part number 38015, and there's other numbers on it. Alright, if this can help you guys.